after the Bombay High Court stayed the Kanjurmarg Carshed project, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has reached out to the centre to initiate talks and resolve the matter. The CM highlighted the benefits of having a carshed at Kanjurmarg, further referring to the RA forest and the need to preserve it. Uddhav Thackeray said that trees cannot be cut regularly in the name of urban development.
साहजिकच आहे, सध्या ज्याच्यावरून थैथॅट केला जातोय तो कांजूरमार्गचा विषय, मेट्रो कारशेड. मी अहंकारी आहे, जरूर माझ्या मुंबईबद्दल मी अहंकारी आहे, माझ्या मुंबईकरांसाठी आणि महाराष्ट्राच्या हितासाठी मी अहंकारी आहे. का नसावा अहंकारी? याचं कारण असं की आरे कारशेड जी आपण करणार होतो ती मेट्रो 3च्या लाईनसाठी, मेट्रो 3. आता त्याच्यामध्ये आरे कारशेडमध्ये किती जागा आपण घेतली होती किंबहुना त्याच्यासाठी प्रस्तावित होती तर साधारणतः 30 हेक्टर. या 30 हेक्टरमध्ये 5 हेक्टरमध्ये ही झाडं लावणं किंबहुना तिथे घनदाट झाडं आहेत म्हणून आपण आज लेखी दिलेले आहे की ती जागा वापरणार नाही. आता ती जागा जर का वापरणार नाही तर ती जागा या प्रकल्पात घेतली कशाला आहे? म्हणजेच असं की 25 हेक्टरची जागा जिचं काम 2023 साली पूर्ण होणार ती त्याच्यानंतर 2-5 वर्षामध्ये कमी पडणार. मग आपण म्हटलेलंच आहे 5 हेक्टर या प्रकल्पामध्ये, मग ती झाडं कापा, ती जागा घ्या. ती जागा घेतल्यानंतर पुन्हा 2031-35 पर्यंत ती जागा कमी पडणार, आणखीन घ्या. म्हणजे जंगल मारत हे खतम करायचं आणि तिकडे फक्त एका लाईनसाठी आपण कार डेपो करायचा.
It's a very interesting move by Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray, who clearly said that though the Kanjurmarg land belongs to the centre, but there is always a solution to it, and centre and state should sit together. We are ready for that, and we should talk and we should sort out this issue. Because if you remember, first of all, High Court had given a stay order because there is a land dispute at Kanjurmarg over the title. Second thing, we 2 days back we broke the news that how state government is looking at MMRDA grounds at BKC for the Kanjurmarg instead of Kanjurmarg, but to accommodate the 4 lines in at one place to make a carshed, it is not possible to get that particular plot or any other plot, because Kanjurmarg plot is more than 100 acres plot, and there where they can accommodate all 4 metro lines, including the Metro 14, which is yet to come up. So that's why somewhere Maharashtra government is basically trying their level best to negotiate or to start the negotiation with the centre, because if you remember in last year, or we can say till in June month this year, it was centres who had written it to the Salt Pan and Salt Commission and asked them to prepare a survey or to conduct a survey of this particular land and prepare a report and give it to centre, because somewhere centre was ready to hand over the MMRDA land, but after that we saw the entire politics which had happened, and now centre only had gone into the court against the state government regarding this land issue. So this land dispute will go on. That's Maharashtra government is somewhere aware of it, and that's why to resolve this issue now Uddhav Thackeray has said that centre should come forward. Even we are ready to sit together and resolve this issue.
Meanwhile, Leader of Opposition and former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis has said that it seems Uddhav Thackeray has not read a report that was prepared by his government on the implications of this relocation. He says that a high-powered committee set up by his own government on the financial implications associated with relocating the project has indicated that this metro carshed project in Kanjurmarg is not going to serve the future needs.